unbelievable. Destroyer. Join me as we step into daring adventures, where danger is always lurking. The opening couldn't be more spectacular. Springboard, the super monster in the cedar logging industry. With an optimal design and solid structure, this machine operates stably and precisely, creating a working performance that far exceeds expectations. Leave a like or a comment and continue to follow this journey to the end. Suddenly encountering a fall, the wood transport vehicle tilted and quickly got up. With enduring strength and unyielding determination, it continued to roll, constantly moving forward on the arduous journey. Every throttle is a testament to the power and ability to push the limits in the icy winter. The winter ATV tracks testing is the real test, where the 70 horsepower, 2,540-pound ATV faces and overcomes deep snow and challenging terrain. Not stopping there, despite being equipped with a powerful engine, the Oshkosh log truck still had difficulty climbing the slope due to the inaccurate load distribution. This imbalance caused the vehicle to lose stability, reduce traction, and make it unable to overcome the challenging steep mountain terrain. Continuing the impressive power of the heavy-duty equipment line, the Bandit 21 XP chipper is equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, allowing powerful operation and easy handling of hard logs from cranes in Australia. With an impressive configuration and a weight of about 8.5 short tons, the Bandit 21 XP maintains outstanding performance, ready to crush large and heavy logs without any obstacles. Let's explore the Quadco 27B 366 cutting head mounted on the Cat 552, a powerful forestry equipment specialized in cutting and processing forest trees with impressive precision. Possessing a maximum capacity of 360 horsepower, this monster machine can easily deal with large trees, even in difficult terrain conditions. Next up is the mighty Dater 4-track tractor, equipped with a 230 horsepower engine and weighing in at around 28.50 pounds. With its steady pulling power and flexible handling, the Dater 4 easily conquers steep slopes and overcomes the harsh conditions of rugged mountains. It's hard to believe your eyes. The GAZ-66 truck with a 115 horsepower engine easily overcomes harsh terrain. Weighing in at 3,858 short tons, the GAZ-66 is ideal for transporting goods in rough areas. Leave a like or a comment if you find this machine like a steel monster roaring in the wild. In Norway, modern hydraulic systems and powerful cranes help Ponzi Bear easily conquer all forest terrains, providing optimal exploitation efficiency. Ponzi Bear 2015, Model C6H8 with 350 horsepower engine. Weight 22.05 short tons ensures stable and durable operation for a long time. Oh my gosh, the TAF650 tractor is so powerful. Its powerful diesel engine is pulling the huge log with ease. I couldn't believe my eyes. The TAF650 is really a warrior in this heavy-duty work. Like a real monster, the car proudly carried 39.37 long tons of wood over all terrains. Leave comment number 1 if you are also interested in this impressive journey. In Contimanzius, the driver of a timber truck equipped with a 400 horsepower engine was operating it in an unsafe manner. With the weight of the truck and the load of timber up to 33.07 short tons, the truck had difficulty moving. So how can we move this truck uphill now? The Log Champ 550 roars through the majestic forests of northern British Columbia, turning logging into a mechanical dance. With powerful spins, it conquers giant tree trunks, bringing new life to the forestry industry here. The Log Champ LC550 swing yarder combined with the TMAR 86-inch log clamp is a powerful solution in the forestry industry. The Log Champ LC550 has a capacity of up to 550 horsepower, allowing for efficient pulling and moving of logs on steep terrain. The TMAR 86-inch clamp helps grip and transport large logs, optimizing the harvesting and transport process. Have you ever wondered how to effectively harvest wood in harsh forest conditions? Logset Titan H8, with its powerful hydraulic system and precise cutting head, makes logging more convenient than ever. This machine easily handles large volumes of trees in a short time, maintaining high productivity even when working in challenging forest environments. Weighing in at approximately 3,530 pounds, the Warada H290 provides efficient cutting and wood handling, ensuring durability and stability even in dense forest conditions. The Warada H290 is a high-performance harvester, ideal for forestry with a powerful engine, reaching up to 300 horsepower. Dennis Samath Industrial Crusher, with 120 to 600 horsepower engines, easily handle dense vegetation. The 9,000-pound weight makes the machine stable on difficult terrain, making it ideal for marsh restoration projects. Next up is the powerful Komatsu 895 logging machine, with a 262 horsepower engine, providing superior traction. With a weight of 44.10 pounds, the Komatsu 895 is stable and durable on all forest terrain, optimizing with transport efficiency and work productivity. Powerful saw for the wood industry Meber HDZ 1200 Plus, with 150 horsepower engine for efficient and precise wood cutting. The machine weighed up to 18.70 pounds, ensuring stability and durability during operation, helping to optimize productivity and quality of cutting large wood. With the Dallin Vedmiskin 2054 ideal for cutting and processing wood, equipped with a 15 horsepower engine, which helps to process logs quickly and efficiently. With a weight of about 700 kilograms, the machine ensures stability and durability, optimizing the cutting and splitting process for forestry work. In the tranquil forest space, the LKT-81T 20 cubic meters skidder sways as it pulls tons of timber. With a 170 horsepower diesel engine, the vehicle operates powerfully and steadily, easily handling heavy materials. The 20 cubic meters capacity optimizes the transportation process, while its ability to navigate steep and challenging terrain ensures high efficiency in all conditions. The Mercedes Actros 500 horsepower 53 cubic meters features a powerful 500 horsepower engine, delivering exceptional performance. With the ability to carry up to 53 cubic meters of timber, the truck operates smoothly, powerfully, and easily overcomes harsh terrains, optimizing transportation work in all conditions. The 20-30CS firewood processor with advanced bandsaw technology is the optimal solution for wood-cutting tasks. With its modern design, the machine cuts wood quickly and accurately, saving time and effort, improving work efficiency, and reducing manual